series, we're going to talk about what you have in your closet, how to clean out your closet, what to look for that you can actually alter or donate, okay? We do a donation program here, so if you ever have clothing you want to get rid of, we have people that will gladly accept it and they'll use it, okay? So we're going to look at two jackets today. This first one is a 3-button jacket. If you have anything with 3-button in your closet, it's got to go, okay? Everything nowadays is 2-button, okay? Also, the width of the lapel, see how wide this is? This is a very wide lapel with a very wide shoulder, okay? This is out. Now, if you follow Petit Uomo, if you follow a lot of styles out there, you'll see that bigger shoulders, wider lapels are actually coming in. But there's a certain point where it looks a little fattish and it's going to be gone. So I like a more classic tailored look. So in this case, a wider lapel is out, 3-button is out. Also, if you notice, the shoulders are very wide, okay, and also very square. There's a lot of padding in here. In this case, if you say to me, no, I want to keep the jacket, I love it, we can alter this, take out the shoulder padding in here, make it a little softer so it's not as dramatic. You don't look like a quarterback or that you've left a hanger in there, okay? The other thing is, the back of the jacket, this has no vent. If you have something with no vent on it, it's got to go. I have some clients that still want the no vent. I'll make it for them. I'm not happy, but it's their jacket. They have to wear it, not me. So this is jacket number 1. Jacket number 2, it's a beautiful jacket. Okay, same issue here where the shoulders are very padded, very big, okay? It's gonna make you look very square. And some people, that's okay. But in this case, it's just too much padding, too much squareness in here. We can soften the shoulder up if you bring it in for alterations. This is a 2-button jacket, okay? This you could probably still get away with nowadays. However, the big however is the jacket is long. It's a very long jacket. This is actually one of my old ones. I have an archive where I keep all these old things so I can actually look back on them. So this jacket is a long jacket. So we can also shorten jackets so that so it's not so voluminous at the bottom here. However, there's a limit where from the top of the pocket to here, there has to be a certain length. So we can come up a little bit on this, but not too much. So this jacket could probably be salvaged, okay? This one does have a double vent in the back. So it is fairly up to date, okay? The lapel width on this one is acceptable, okay? So if you have anything like these, either like altered or donated, feel free to bring them in and we can do that for you. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them or check us out at davidecoutinho.com. And remember, always dress well.